As your products develop, brand design evolves and regulations are changed. You need to make sure that your customer documents keep up with the changes. Basically, to create customer documents, you need to merge business data with document templates. Changing the templates typically requires technical skills and a lot of communication with the busy software developers. This process easily leads to poorly personalized and out-of-date content. Documents look different if created from different applications, or do not have the latest brand image or correct translations. Aiddocs is the new service-based document production solution, which makes document template management a lot easier. With Aiddocs, you can update templates using familiar Office tools, get updates fast to production, and use just this single solution for all document production needs. Scroll down and read more about the new smart way of document production.